Okay, so today we will be doing financial decision making. Okay, we're gonna skip through that. There's 3 different scenarios. I am trying to get to the objective. I don't see the objective, so let me go back. Okay, so financial decisions, 3 scenarios. Scenario 1, this is actually part of the warm-up. Sorry for that, let me skip that. Planning ahead, decision you might make now. Okay, so let's go ahead and start here. Decisions you might make now can affect you for years to come. Okay, for example, deciding which classes to take and how much effort to put into the work, saving for college, comparing the cost of colleges to better understanding how much you can afford to pay. Last but not least, deciding to take out student loans that you will pay back in years to come. So these are decisions where you have to plan ahead. A lifetime of decisions. Okay, what kind of decisions might you make at different stages of life? Match each decision with the most likely stage. Okay, so for the ones that are home and for you guys, you're gonna do this by yourself. And this is just for practice, it won't be for a grade. So if you go to the website, you can match the decisions that you might make as a teenager, young adult, working adult, adult near retirement. But again, we only have a limited time, so you can do that later. Finally, this is where I wanted to get to today's objectives. In this session, you will use rational and considered decision-making steps to select financial goals and priorities. Next, you will explain how decisions made today can impact the future. Explore. Okay, so these are the key terms. What I would do is I will press on one of them, and if you need the term for later for the assignment, you can always go back to the video. So financial decision making is a decision making process where you decide on how to save and spend your money to make your goals and dreams come true. Financial goals are the priorities or objectives that require funding or money. Which of the following financial goals are you interested in? Okay, so what you can do is, again, for the sake of time, you can you're gonna go ahead and go back to this slideshow, and you're gonna go through this. Okay, again, I just don't want to run out of time. Decision-making model. So you will do these steps. Again, you will go back to this video, and you will do this on your own using your computer. Save your work. So now what I would like for you to do is I would like for you to download the PDF file, fill it in, and then email it to me, okay? Let me go back to here to see if there's something that I forgot to tell you. Okay, so well, let's go over this model before you download your PDF and do the assignment, okay? I think I still have a little bit of time. So step 1, you're going to list your goals and consider your choices and options for each goal. And you do this on the PDF, I believe. 2, list the benefits and obstacles for each option. 3, identify the goal and option that you most want to do. 4, ask yourself, am I committed and motivated to achieve these goals? 5, evaluate your decision and change it if you think there is a better choice. So now that I went over that, go ahead and download the PDF file, and as soon as you complete it, send it to me. Have a good day.